Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing an ASMR style video, and we're going to be going over all these different things dealing with the number 6. Number 6 is the number of the day. And I'm just going to start with this book here, Your 6-Year-Old. And it has this big number 6 right in the middle. And above that it has this little face of a 6-year-old. Loving and defiant. The author is a PhD. Just take a look at some of the chapters and pictures and pages that are in the book. Loving and defiant, huh? This book is pretty old. And here we go with chapter 6. Your child's mind. Very cute. Just has some questions in it. But there we go. This book is about 6-year-old children. And going along with that, I'm just going to go to this book here. Classic book by Dr. Seuss. Oh, the Places You'll Go. And for this book, I'm just going to go to page 6 in here. And I'm just going to read what we have on page 6. So, this doesn't count. We'll consider this to be page 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we stop on this page, and here it says, "You'll be on your way up, you'll be seeing great sights. You'll join the high flyers who soar to high heights." And we have here a hot air balloon, the little guy holding the string, and the balloon is pink and yellow stripes here, and it looks like he's floating this way towards these balloons over here. So we have this blue one here, a pink one, another blue one, a yellow one, and a green one, and then we have this nice little castle looking archway. And then it curves around here with the little steps. And that's page 6 of that book. Next, we have this book here about raising your child's self-esteem. 99 easy things to do. And it has an author and an illustrator. So let's just flip through a little bit. And since this book has a countdown, we'll just go through the 6 ways to raise your child's self-esteem, the first 6 ways. So the first section is grow together. And step 1 is tell your child you love him at least once a day. And I love to decorate with hearts and the word love. And you see that love is shining here. 2, take your child's feelings seriously. Try not to say she'll grow out of it or that it's not that bad. Number 3, let your child know it's okay to make mistakes. Admit your own. Number 4, make a board game about your child's life. Each space on the board can mark an accomplishment your child has made since he was born. Start at the beginning with the first time he smiled or when he rolled over, and move on to include the first book he read to you and the first time he went to nursery school or camp. And then over here we have the game, starting with the baby, first steps, and then we go along, story, first words, go over to school, first report card, the game of wonderful you. Number 5, laugh at your child's jokes even when you don't get them. And I know that my 2 little ones love when we laugh at their jokes. When one makes a joke, the other one wants to make a joke as well because they need that same attention of laughter. And lastly, number 6 is to praise your child's efforts without worrying about the results. So we want to be wowed. Wow. Wow. We want to be wowed even when it's not a big deal. We want to make a big deal out of it. Self-esteem. And now I have 3 magazines here, but these first 2 are magazines from August. So I got August issues of Good Housekeeping and Better Homes and Gardens from last year. So both of these are from 2018. I'm just going to go to page 6 of each one. We're going to take a look at page 6, which in both magazines I believe is a table of contents, but we're going to take a look at that. So here is page 6. Let's see what some of the things that Good Housekeeping was talking about in their table of contents in 2018. Your look, fashion and beauty. Of course, not much has changed. They do talk about the same things most of the time. So then it talks about your home, having a party on the porch, tips and tricks for hosting an outdoor summer soiree. Real life, everyday hero, institute, tried and tested. We have things in your kitchen inside the Good Housekeeping test kitchen. Easy weeknights. They have 20-minute meals. This is always good. And in every issue, you'll always have these things here, which is the editor's letter, the agenda, a family room, and Good Housekeeping seal star of the month. And on page 68, we have best water filters. And on page 16, hot beauty buys. Very nice. We also have this magazine, this Better Homes and Gardens. So let's take a look at page 6 in here. And here we are. Page 6 is the contents page. So we have 4 rectangles with the highlighted topics, and I'll just go down the line. So we have a backyard party pro, prep school, going small, just dip it, talking about dips and dressings, and store-bought ice cream, all in the family, color, know-how, laundry day just got brighter, renovation, so I love renovation, reimagining rooms so they work harder. I love renovations, makeovers, all of that. First, ideas for making a rental feel more like your dream home, being an entrepreneur, arrangements, shop your yard for a centerpiece, I did it, plantings, edible gardening, a romance with garlic. We're talking about food in this section, so new ways, fast and fresh from our test kitchen, what's in season, and then we have fresh things that are in every issue, just like the other magazine. And we have things here called Better, Pets, Live Fit, Family, and Back to School. Pack lunch in one of these bags. And today was the first day of school for my kids, so they're all at school right now. This magazine here is the August issue of Good Housekeeping from 2016. So keeping with the sixth theme, I just went with 16. So I'm just going to go to one of the topics that was highlighted on the cover, which is organize your life in minutes a day. So page 40 is where we'll find that. And here they're talking about organizing everything. So your guide to organizing anything. Get sorted in just minutes a day with these genius tidy up tricks. So you can do these things in 5 minutes, you can do these things in an hour, and you can do these things in an afternoon. So let's just go through the things that could take 5 minutes just because they should be quick. So you should be able to organize your magazines and catalogs. With a shopping bag, walk through your home and corral already enjoyed periodicals. Clip recipes or workout moves you want to keep. Recycle anything older than 2 months. That's a good tip. But as you see, I still have this magazine from 3 years ago, but that's okay. Storage containers. Empty the cabinet and match each top to its corresponding base. Recycle anything that ends up without a mate. About to toss a large container, consider using it to hold lids. That's something that we do. And from your fridge, remove and discard old, half-eaten leftovers, past its peak produce, and expired condiments. Make a list of what you need to replace and post it on the refrigerator door for the next time you shop. And then from your handbag, dump it out and weed through the contents, trashing wrappers, non-working pens, receipts, etc. Pile up whatever requires immediate action, like a check to be deposited. And then it goes on from there. If you can zoom in and you want to read through that, feel free. And then the last thing, I also had this book. I don't know how it got out of the pile, but this is Words of Wisdom for a Woman of Faith. And I'm just going to go to page 6 on this book and read some of the words of wisdom there. So let's see. So I'm going to count this as page 1 here. The value of wisdom. 1. Page 1. Page 2. 3. 4. And we're passing integrity. 5. 6. So this page here, I'll start over here. May integrity and uprightness protect me, because my hope is in you. Psalms 25 and 21. Better to be poor and walk in integrity than to be crooked in one's ways, even though rich. Proverbs 28 and 6. Let love and faithfulness never leave you. Bind them around your neck, write them on the tablet of your heart, then you will win favor and a good name in the sight of God and man. Proverbs 3 verses 3 through 4. And that is the last of our 6s. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and leave a comment below if you like ASMR style videos. And also let me know your thoughts on ASMR. All right, thanks for watching.